Hello friends, today we will look at some of the sums of the second chapter of mathematics CBSE, that is linear equations in one variable. Okay, so the first sum is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 9 is 270. Find the numbers. What do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means ek ke baad ek, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are said to be consecutive. So consecutive multiples will be like, what are the multiples of 3? They are 3, 6, 9, 12. Likewise, so the multiples of 9. So we'll start. How we'll start? We'll say let the first number be x. Okay, so the next number will be x plus 9, right? And the next number will be x plus 18. They will come in the multiplication table of 9. Okay, so now the sum is 270. So we add them up, right? So what we get? 3x plus 27 is equal to 270. Okay, therefore 3x is equal to 270 minus 27. Okay, so what we get? 3x is equal to 270 minus 27. Okay, so what is 270 minus 27? It's 243. Okay, so therefore x will be 81. Okay, so the first number, if x is 81, the first number is 81, so the next one number will be x plus 9 will be 90 and x plus 18 will be 99. So basically this comes in the multiplication table of 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90 and 9 11s are 99. Okay, and there is yet another way of solving this same sum. Many students, what they do, they see like multiples of 9. So they will say let the first number be x plus 9. So the next number becomes x plus 18 and it becomes x plus 27. Basically it's one and the same, but I'm showing you two methods of solving the same sum. Okay, so here also we add up, it becomes amounts up to 270, right? So here what will be the equation? The equation will become 3x plus 9 plus 18 plus 27, which is 54. Okay, therefore 3x will be 270 minus 54. Okay, therefore 3x will be 270 minus 54 will be 216. Okay, therefore x will be 7 3s are 7, 3 2s are 6. So x will be 72. Okay, so what will the first number here will be? X plus 9. So it will be 72 plus 9, which is again 81, right? The same which we got here. Then the next number will be x plus 18. Okay, so which becomes 90 and x plus 27. Which becomes 99. So my three numbers are 81, 90 and 99. Whichever way I solve, I get the same answer. Okay, so these are the two methods of solving the same sum. Okay, then we come to the second sum. So it is basically about ages. So what is saying, Ram's father's age is 26 years younger than Ram's grandfather and 29 years older than Ram. Okay, so there are three generations. One is Ram, one is Ram's father, and one is his grandfather. So what we can do, we'll say let Ram's age be x. Let it be x years. Okay. So this what we get, information we have, and Ram's father's age is 29 years older than Ram. So Ram's father's age will be x plus 29 years. Okay, and what we know about his grandfather's age? He is 26 years younger. Ram's father is 26 years younger than Ram's grandfather. So for Ram's grandfather, we'll add Ram's father's age plus 26. This much years. So how much which we are getting? X plus 54. Okay, so this is the first one is Ram. This is Ram's father. And this is his grandfather. So now what we have, the sum of the ages is 135. So again we'll add them, all the three equations. So here what we are getting? Here we are getting 3x. Okay, then plus 29 plus 55, it amounts to 84. Is how much? 135. So again the same, we got an equation. So 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. Okay, so therefore 3x will become 1 and 5, 51. So how much is x? X is 51 upon 3, right? So x will be 17 years. So Ram's age is 17 years. If Ram is 17, what will be his father's age? It will be 17 plus 29, right? Which will be 46 years. Okay. And his grandfather's age will be 17 plus 55. Okay. So this will be how much? This will be 72 years. Okay. So we got all the three ages. Ram's age is 17, his father's is 46, and his grandfather's is 72. We can cross check it by adding all the three, and we have to look, do we get 135 or not? Okay, there is yet another way of solving this same sum. What many students do, they take the middle thing. Who is in the middle of the generation? Ram's father. Let his age be x years. Okay, so what would be Ram's age? If Ram's father's age is 29 years, if he is 29 years elder to him, so can I say x minus 29 will be Ram's age? Right? And Ram's father is how much elder than Ram's grandfather? He is 26 years old, younger. So x plus 26 will be his grandfather's age. See, this three equation we got it this way, and here we are getting it this way. Again, we add them up, all the three. The total has to become 135, right? So what are we getting here? Therefore, 3x and minus 29 plus 26. What we get is minus 10, right? Therefore, 3x is, this minus 3 goes here, it becomes plus 3, it's 138. Okay, so here again we get x is 46. Same what we got here. So his father's age we are getting it 46 years. Again we minus 29 here, we get his age as, Ram's age as 17. Okay, and again when we add 26 to 46, we get 72. So these are two methods of solving the same sum.